Do you get to hang out with the players and stuff?
No, not at all.
Oh, is there a
we
rule?
We keep it very professional.
There's a rule about
Definitely.
fraternizing with the players?
Yes.
I understand that. Okay, you guys are going to do a little something for us, right? A little
Yes,
something I taught you earlier in the week.
Yep,
okay.
thanks
okay,
for that.
great. My pleasure. You guys go right ahead.